There aren't any campgrounds inside Krka National Park, however, there are many options very close by. Situated near the entrance of Krka National Park is Camp Krka, a 2.47-acre, 10,000 square meters, campground covered in pine trees that houses a number of mobile homes and tents. There are sanitary facilities at 2 on-site locations, as well as a children's playground and bowling alley. Additionally, excursions are offered for day trips to Krka National Park. Additional camping areas in the area include the following. 1. Camp Marina. Marina offers 40 camping units, 5-day rooms, 2 sanitary facilities, a swimming pool, and an on-site restaurant. The area is covered with pine trees and a good amount of shade to enjoy outdoor activities such as paintball and cycling the area. 2. Camp Skradinske Delicije. Skradinskke Delicije Camp is also situated close to the main entrance of Krka National Park. The campsite features 35 shaded pitches offering water, electricity, and drainage connections. The site is pet-friendly and has an on-site restaurant with a supermarket and beach nearby. 3. Camp Krka. Located 15 kilometers from Krka Park, this campsite offers 20 camping pitches surrounded by a vineyard and garden. In addition to the relaxing surrounding, there is on-site laundry, an outdoor pool, and a dining room available for use. 4. Camping Skradinskke Delicije. In the village of Skradinskke is the small family camp Skradinske Delicije, a suitable camping option 0.62 miles, 1 kilometer, from the center of Skradin and Krka National Park. It has an outdoor pool, access to a garden with wine and olives on offer, and free transport to boats that transfer visitors to various Krka waterfalls.